This is Chip Lowell. I am VP of Sales with Velocity Micro. I'm going to demo our Cruz reader. As you can tell, it's got a very nice size to it. In fact, it's absolutely perfect for reading or using for any kind of fun internet activities. So let's take a look at the actual reading application. We're using Kobo, and we've partnered with Borders Books for the entire library on that. So we're going to launch it. And what we see on launch is every book that we've purchased already loaded on the machine, so you don't actually have to be connected to the internet to read your book. So if you're heading over to the beach or the park, or you want to take it out in your car and you're not near a Wi-Fi hotspot, that's just fine. And you may notice that the Star Wars Lost Tribe of the Sith happens to have a little progress bar going on. That's because we actually purchased this product on another sample here. And the fun thing about the Borders library is that the number of devices you hook up and log into, it syncs across those devices. So one of the letdowns in some of the competitive reader products is once you load a book onto it, you can't actually then have somebody else in the family read it. This way it's very easy to do it, and certainly a selling feature. So let's take a look. If we wanted to read Pride and Prejudice, for example, it's already loaded on the device. We just click on it, it brings up the book, and it automatically is going to go to the last page we were on. And we can just immediately start reading. Turn the page. Fun thing about the reader is it has all kinds of different ways to actually view the text. So you don't always have to have just white on text on a white background. If you're reading at night, you choose your menu, and you can go into day or night mode. It's now if I'm laying in bed, I don't have that big white page in my face. I've got a nice reverse look to it. Take it back to the day mode. And then if maybe we have great eyes and we want more on the screen, well, we can change our font size. Go to the smaller text, or smallest I should say, it'll re-render. And yeah, that's quite a tight view on an eye chart, but if you're young and have great eyes, well, you can get more on the page, or vice versa. If you have eyes like mine, you might need some larger text. Well, you can't do this with a real book, and that's the fun of an e-reader. So here we are reading very easy to read text from Pride and Prejudice. What else can it do? Well, one of the fun things, of course, we all like to do is show off our photographs to family and friends, and you know how that is, trying to show it on your little bitty phone screen. It drives everybody crazy trying to see it. Well, now you've got a real 7-inch screen that allows you to then take a look and show your pictures in full-size picture frame view, which is fantastic. So boom, there it is, full screen. And I want to go to the next shot. Next shot, next shot. Very easy to show off our pictures. Got a fantastic video playback. Any MP4 video you may have, you can easily play it. So we're taking a look at the Avatar trailer. And again, this is all from basically a reader. You can't get this type of thing from any other product that calls itself a reader. All you can do is read books. Well, you have pictures, videos. And the other thing we like to do while we're reading is listen to music. So just like on any other music or MP3 device, let's go in and choose our albums. There's Elvis. And let's just start playing Elvis. The other thing, what if you're into Facebook? Well, go take a look and see what's going on our news feed. Of course, this is a demo account that just has one friend, so he's kind of lonely. But you can see how easy it is to just check out your Facebook while you're at the beach or laying around on the couch watching TV or whatever. Browsing the web. Of course, that's the fun thing we all want to be able to do at our leisure. We'll just pop on in. Let's take a look. We'll search for something in Google. Or let's go to our favorites. And let's jump in real quick and check out what's going on over at ESPN. What's happening at the World Cup. Or if we want, we can take a look at the Cruz reader site. Let's take a look over there. Double taps, bring it out, bring it in. You can go horizontal on it too. So you can take a look at everything we have for the Cruz. And of course, check out today's headlines on CNN. Then we can check out the news. And of course, this is fully rendered. I mean, let's try to read, a web page on your phone. You just can't do it. That's the beauty of a large format tablet. And even gaming. Of course, we want to play some games, and nothing's more fun in our leisure time. Boy. Goodness gracious. Yay me! Look at me go. Ooh, I got 2 on that one. Great fun. And the Cruz tablet is, of course, very, very light, very easy to use. You can tell how thin it is. There's a volume up and down button right there on the side. On the bottom, you've got your headphone jack, built-in speakers, the power input. And on the top, there's your power button here, which you can also just put it to sleep. A USB port to allow you to copy files to it. And also, here's your SD card. You can get a whole bunch of stuff on that. This is the Cruz reader from Velocity Micro.